G'day guys, my name's Lindsay. I'm into sketchy race cars and janky motorbikes. You'll see some racing, some riding, and a heap of breakdowns. So tighten your helmet, and welcome to the channel. Right, we are back, and it's winter. It's definitely winter. Finland is so pretty. Pretty cold. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can get the back diff, get the Panhard rod welded up, or the Panhard rod mount welded up. Maybe cut some more of the floor out to weld that up as well. Mostly just repairs. But first thing, the car doesn't start. I've been turning it over and it's nothing. But just noticed we got absolutely zip in the fuel filter there. So I'm gonna leave it running. We'll turn the car on. See if we can get some fuel. Because it should flow through to there. Hopefully. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. First step is to check that there's actually fuel in the car. Because just because you parked it with fuel doesn't mean that it still has fuel. Which in my case, fuel tank's empty. So I'm guessing I have a fuel leak because I left it with fuel in it. I don't know. Let's fill it up and start it. Right, we got some fuel. Just letting it run a bit. See if we can prime it. See if we can start it. Do it! There we go. So it turns out you need fuel. Like actually in the tank. Before you try and start your car. Who'd have thought? Well, still not used to this cold weather business because I drove it outside to try and turn it around, pull it back in. Couldn't resist a nice little snow skid, and now I'm stuck because I'm an idiot. Now we'll watch that go out like a cannon and kill a small village. Oh well, worth a shot. Okie doke, let's climb on under. So, we can sort of see. Here's the mount, and it's kind of ripped, and there as well. So this whole thing here, thank you Rust. Oh, in my eyes, oh god, I'm still wearing glasses and it's still in my eyes. Oh man, oh it's painful, it stings my eyes. Right, okay, now that I've washed out about 30 kilos of rust out of my eye, it came straight down the top, which is great, it's excellent. Let's stop poking the rusty dickhead. Alright, we'll point at this. So I've got a tear in here, a tear along here. This whole guy is just... So, I'm going to brace it in here, or across here, or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Righto, so I've scrubbed a bit of paint off. And I found some of this. And you must be thinking, Surely he's not just going to get it and go like that and just weld it there and weld it here. But that's where you'd be wrong. So, I'm going to cut that on an angle and I'm going to weld the out of it. And it's going to do the job just great. Maybe. Nah, it's going to be good. Okay, dog. We're all done, I think. I'm gonna add some paint. But there we go. That's what it looks like. And it is ugly. I mean, that one's not too bad. But I'm not a great welder. But it'll hold. Problem solved. Throw some paint on it. Fucking done. So with that done and dusted, it just leaves the rest of the floor to do. So I'm going to clean up the side that I did before, which was abhorrent, and I'm going to do the passenger side as well now. So, and then it's basically good to go. It's good to race next season. So that'll be good. Solid effort.